Welcome to Orchard Springs, a little house off Rollins Lake. So this is a 2-bedroom plus a den house. As you can see, there's a lot of panel glasses. We are entering the living room. Has a warm tone with panel windows looking out. Open floor plan. Dining room looking out the patio, and real wood burning stove. Kitchen with gas stove and fridge and little patio. Look out the raised beds garden. We have olive tree, bay tree, maple tree, and little pond. Looking out to the workshop, storage workshop. This is a sunny patio. From patio, get back to the living room. You can look at the utility room with gas dryer, and electrical washer. So this is looking from utility room to the dining room, and walk through the kitchen to the other bedrooms. Master bedrooms with good size of closet and good soaking tubs. The top does look out the backyard with vanities. It's the second bedroom. Pergo wood floor. Closet. Looking out the trees. Second bathroom with full shower. Walking back to the living room. And this is the den. Also pergo wood floor. Just a small room. Enough for an office. The rest bed garden at this time is winter, so needs some attention. And we do look at the water tower and the log cabin in the distance. You all have your own gas tank, and the neighboring trees, oak trees.